Hello everyone, and welcome to the third in the series of Scratch videos that will show you how to develop a simple racing game that covers many of the programming aspects of the Key Stage 2 curriculum. In this video, you will learn about how to make the sprite move and also how to draw a basic track that our car can race around. If you're coming back to Scratch from a previous session, make sure you log in and then click the folder in the top right of the screen. This is called the My Stuff folder, where all your projects are kept. Click on the project you want to open, and then click See Inside. This will load up your work from before in the editing screen. Once you're here, we need to make sure we've clicked on our sprite before we start adding algorithms. The first thing we want to do is to get our car to move forward, rotate left, and rotate right. To do this, we are going to use blocks from the motion, events, sensing, and control sections. The first item we need is from the Events section, and it's the first option called When the green flag is clicked. This means when the green flag in the top right of the screen is clicked, Scratch understands that this is when it is going to follow the algorithms in the coding area. Once that's done, we are going to add a forever block from the control section, as well as 3 if-then blocks. Once you've got all these in the coding area, we can put them all together in a jigsaw fashion like so. You will know when the blocks will connect because as you drag them, a highlight will appear to show where Scratch thinks you want them to connect. You can move them to the right area, like so. Right, now we need to tell Scratch which keys we are going to use to tell the car what to do. Click on the Sensing block on the left of the screen. You will see that some of these blocks are hexagonal in shape, just like the areas in our if-then blocks. We need to put 3 of the key pressed blocks into our if-then blocks. The blocks will expand to accommodate our new blocks. Then we need to change the key from spacebar to a more appropriate key. I would suggest either the up, left and right arrows or the more traditional gaming W, A and D keys. Finally, we need to select and move blocks from the motion section to make our car move. These are the first 3 blocks in the motion section. I'm going to move the 10 steps block to the section where we want the car to move forward, and the rotation blocks to the corresponding turning blocks. As a suggestion, I would change the 10 steps to 5 for now. The car's a bit quick otherwise. Once you've done that, click the green flag above the game screen and see if your car drives. Right, now let's give it a track to drive around. Click the Stage section in the bottom right hand of the screen and then click on the Backdrops tab in the top left hand of the screen. Now you've got this art editing area here, and I'm going to convert this to bitmap to make it a bit easier to draw. I'm going to fill the background of this image in green for grass using the fill tool. Then I'm going to get a paintbrush, change it to grey, and change the width of the paintbrush to the widest it can go. I'll draw a simple track with it. This will do for now. We can add extra little features and artistic touches if you like, but we can do those as we go along. Now you may notice the car is a little big for the track as it's only on a single screen. Click on the car in the sprite menu in the bottom right of the screen and reduce the size of the car down to where the car is quite small. I've gone for 15%. This should make it easier to drive and to stay on the track. Have some fun play testing your project. Thank you for watching the video, and join me in the next video where I show you how to keep your sprite on the track and also add a lap counter.